Are you feeling a bit older and still struggling with your finances? Well, we've got some important money tips just for you. But before we get started, welcome to Luxo-Life, your life partner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments because we're all ears, and share it with others to spread the knowledge. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Now let's get to it. Socialize and expand. Friends and new faces. Staying connected with friends and meeting new people adds the zest to your life's journey. First and foremost, cherish your existing relationships. They're the cozy blankets of your social world. Reach out through calls, texts, or online chats. Technology makes it easier than ever. You can also plan coffee dates, movie nights, or even game evenings and relive the good times. Old friends are like well-worn shoes. They're familiar, comfortable, and still take you on exciting journeys. Now for the adventure of forging new connections. Think of it as spicing up life's recipe. Explore clubs, groups, or events that align with your interests, be it hiking, cooking, or book clubs. Attend workshops and classes to learn something new while mingling with kindred spirits. Don't be afraid to start conversations. Your next best friend might just be a friendly hello away. And remember, social media is your 21st century campfire. Follow inspiring individuals, participate in conversations, and share your thoughts to expand your network and let new friendships flourish. So get out there, have a blast, and watch those bonds bloom. Promotion aspirations, no shame in asking. Asking for that promotion you've been eyeing is absolutely okay. Like seriously, it's not something you should feel embarrassed about. It's more like taking that step forward on your career journey. Think about the hard work you've been putting in, giving your best, and gaining the experience. See? Asking for a promotion is just saying you're ready for the next challenge. Remember, if you don't ask, you might never know. Your boss might be busy juggling a gazillion things and might not realize you're keen on climbing the career ladder. So go ahead, schedule that chat, and put your aspirations on the table. It's not about being pushy, it's about being proactive. Invest wisely, know before you go. Investing in something you don't know well is like walking through a dark forest. You wouldn't take a step without knowing where you're headed, right? Imagine you're about to buy a new car. You check its features, take it for a test drive, and maybe even consult with a mechanic friend before making a decision. Investing is kinda like that. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or a startup, you've got to know the ins and outs. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Investing in what you understand is like picking a path you've explored rather than one that's shrouded in mystery. It's about keeping your hard-earned money safe and growing, just like nurturing a plant with the right soil and sunlight. So remember, it's cool to be curious and learn, but never rush into investments without having a solid grasp of what you're getting into. Your financial future will thank you for it. Home sweet home. Cook and save. Dining out or ordering can be delicious and convenient, but it can also be a real drain on your wallet. Think about it. Those restaurant bills and food delivery fees can pile up quicker than you realize. Plus, eating out often might not always be the healthiest option. By learning to cook at home, you're not only saving cash, but also gaining culinary skills. It's like a secret superpower in your kitchen. Now picture this, you plan your meals, hit the grocery store, and whip up your favorite dishes at home. It's not just about savings, it's about knowing what goes into your food, making healthier choices, and maybe even impressing friends and family with your newfound cooking talents. It's like investing in your overall well-being while safeguarding your financial future. So before you eat outside, Consider cooking a healthy and delicious meal at home first. Think before you buy. Banish impulse spending. Impulse buys, those spur-of-the-moment purchases that seem like a fantastic idea at the time, well, they can be sneaky little budget busters. It's like that tempting ice cream cone that you subtly crave, but later you're like, did I really need that? So here's the deal. Make a habit of giving yourself a little breathing room before splurging on something you didn't plan for. It's like pressing the pause button and asking yourself, do I really need this right now, or is it just a passing fancy? It's a bit like a fashionista who takes a second look in the mirror before buying that trendy but maybe not so practical outfit. By steering clear of impulse spending, you're not only saving money but also honing your financial superpowers. You're becoming a savvy shopper, someone who makes mindful choices, and that's a skill that'll keep your wallet happy and healthy for years to come. Quality over quantity. Smart wardrobe moves. Imagine you're at a clothing store. You've got two options on your radar. Choice 1 is a tad pricier, but it's crafted for top-notch materials and you can just feel the durability oozing from it. Choice 2 is budget-friendly, but you can't shake the feeling that it might not withstand the test of time. Now here's where the money magic happens. When you invest in quality shoes and clothing, it's like making a smart long-term investment. Yeah, it might require a bit more cash up front, but it's like planting a money tree. These pieces tend to hold up beautifully over time. They maintain their shape, color, and style, meaning you won't be constantly replacing them. You're saving big bucks in the long run while also making a substantial choice that's kinder to the environment. Save for rainy days. Secure your finances. Now, let's talk about a nifty financial move that's like having an umbrella on a rainy day, putting a chunk of your salary into a savings account. Once you received your paycheck, we know it's tempting to splurge on that shiny new gadget or an exciting night out. But before you dive headfirst into the spending spree, set aside a portion of that hard-earned money and stash it in a savings account. This is your rainy day fund, your financial cushion for unexpected situations. By creating this savings habit, you're not just preparing for the rainy days, but you're also building financial security. It's like a safety net that catches you when life throws you a curveball. Love and money stay on the same page. First off, let's give a quick shout out to all the single Luxo lovers. Apologies if this one doesn't quite hit the mark for you. But for those in a relationship, here's a golden nugget of wisdom. Make sure you and your partner are on the same page when it comes to finances. It's a bit like playing in a band. If everyone isn't in sync, you're not going to create harmonious music. Similarly, if you and your partner aren't on the same financial wavelength, it can lead to discord in your relationship. Money matters are a big deal, and they can affect your day-to-day life, your dreams, and even your future. So, it's super crucial to have open, honest conversations about your financial goals, your spending habits, and how you plan to tackle bills and savings together. Think of it as creating a financial roadmap as a team. When you're both heading in the same direction, it's like pedaling a tandem bike. You cover more ground with less effort. Plus, you can avoid the bumps and potholes that can pop up on the financial road. Being on the same page isn't just about preventing money-related arguments. It's about building a strong, trust-based foundation for your relationship. It's like having a secret superpower in your partnership. Secure your future. Start saving today. Luxo lovers, admit it or not, none of us are getting any younger, right? So it's high time we talk about the golden rule that's as timeless as a classic tune. Start saving for your old age now. Think of it this way. It's like planting seeds in your personal money garden. The sooner you start, the more those savings grow over time. You might be thinking, Old age? That's ages away. But guess what? Time flies faster than you think. And just like tending to a garden, it's the early care that makes the most difference. Imagine your old age as a grand adventure. You want to have the freedom to do what you love, not worry about bills and expenses. That's where your savings come in. They're like your trusty travel companions, ensuring you have a smooth ride throughout your golden years. Money on autopilot, the power of passive income. So what's this passive income deal? It's like having a second money-making gig that doesn't demand you to be glued to your desk or punch in extra hours. It's about creating a financial buddy that works for you while you do other cool things in life. Think of it as setting up a money-making machine that doesn't need constant supervision. It can take many forms, like investing in stocks that pay dividends, creating an online course that people pay for while you sip cocktails on a beach, or even renting out a property. The beauty of passive income is that it provides you with extra cash without extra time and effort. It's like expanding your financial safety net, building your wealth, and giving you the freedom to pursue your passions and dreams. So by the time you're ready to level up in the financial game, actively seek out and create a passive income stream. It's like having a reliable extra paycheck that boosts your financial security and gives you more flexibility in life. Your future self will salute you for this smart move, and you'll be enjoying the sweet taste of financial independence. Luxo lovers, from staying connected with friends to finding that passive income, we've got you covered for a brighter financial future. But guess what? We're not done yet. We want to hear from you. Which tip resonated with you the most? Or do you have a fantastic financial hack to share with the Luxo-Life community? Let us know in the comments below. Your insights might just be the golden nugget someone else is looking for. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your friends, because sharing is caring, right? And most importantly, if you haven't already, subscribe to Luxo-Life and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest money-savvy tips and lifestyle hacks. Thanks for tuning in, Luxo lovers, and see you in the next one.